ఇక మొదలెడదామా?
This KDS document, not for ABAPers but for you guys, for all functional. Key knowledge gaadu, key data structure, KDS. So if you want to do any implementation project, we have business blueprint, right? Business blueprint will be how many pages? There will be hundreds of pages. We cannot read, but plans will be 2, 3 or 5 or 10 plans. Storage locations will be, material groups will be, so they are less in count. GL accounts, GL groups, not accounts, GL groups. Okay, vendor groups, customer groups, cost centers, profit. This is a key data structure. If you have this data with you, you can able to configure your system. Got it, right? So I'll share you the template which we are using in our companies. The genuine template only will be giving you. So based on that, you guys has to prepare the template. Your team leads are the responsible people. By end of the day, I want to see KDS documents from your team. Everybody has to do individually, but I'll be seeing only team leads KDS. Based on that, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, morning only you can come, and or today evening also, no problem. Start configurations. FICO people will be giving they will be doing their own configurations. I'll ask my team to share the server, same single server user IDs for you for 3 days validity till we complete the project. Maybe 3 days or 1 week, that's not a problem. I'll ask all 30 user IDs in single server. Okay, so 30 user IDs single server. No, each group one server I'll ask them to give, so you'll not get lock entries. Otherwise everybody will be getting lock entries. Okay, so 3 groups, right? 3 servers, 3 user IDs, nothing to be paid. Everything will be paid by the institution only. We no need to worry. Just I need your 100% dedication. Okay, in case if you did not practice till now, you start now, like a project. See your document and do it. Okay, and here FICO people, there will be 5 people, right? They will be configuring company codes, but whatever the company code team lead is doing, that company code should be integrated with MM. They will not do MM configurations. Don't allow them to do MM configurations. And you should not do FICO configurations. They will do FICO configurations. I want to see the complete P2P cycle. Okay, and you guys has to explain what is your roles, what is SD roles. By this, the entire ecosystem you can understand, right? If you go to any interview, you can handle it, right? You can say how SAP is working. Okay, once we complete this, the second task will be, once you complete the system setup by tomorrow end of the day, I'll talk with ABAPers. Saturday you have to prepare a functional specification documents. I'll show you one sample functional specification, how to write it. Suppose there is FBL1 and report, but your client is not accepting that report. They want some additional fields in that report. Then what you are going to do? FI team or MM people. So there is a report like ME2N. What is that ME2N? What is ME2N? PO report, list of POs. So that report your end user is not accepting. So you have to develop a new report. How you are going to do? For that purpose only ABAPers are required. Okay, so but ABAPers don't know, right, from where they have to go, which field they have to take, which table they have to use. They don't know. You guys has to tell them, array, go to this table, get this field, join with this field, get this report like this. Okay, so this would be done by you team. There's a template I'll share you. You have to prepare that, and each team, 1 ABAPer or 2 ABAPers will be there. They will be writing the code. So by completion of your project, you should be comfortable. Array, I know SAP. You may not able to crack interview. That is second level. We will see later. But you should be comfortable how SAP is working. Done? Happy? So I want happiness from all of you by end of this project. Okay, so that will give us encouragement to make it more better. Okay, yeah, thank you, boss.